Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add shape mask to your photo using Picsart photo editor. Alright, so select your photo you like to edit, and to add a shape mask, just scroll to the right and you can find the mask. Just click on it. You are just going to select shape mask and select body shape. Just body opacity and change body color like so. Alright, just click apply. So this is how you can add shape mask to your photo using Picsart. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.